Hello, in today's video, we're going to discuss how to obtain pre-approval for an American Express credit card. Stay tuned until the end of the video for more details. To begin, visit the American Express Cards portal at americanexpress.com with the link provided in the description. On this portal, you'll find a comprehensive list of credit cards offered by American Express. Choose the card that suits your needs and click on the Apply Now button. Clicking this button will take you to the pre-approval page. If you are not currently an American Express customer, you will need to provide some basic personal information on this page. American Express will require details such as your name, date of birth, contact address, social security number, and income information. They will use this information to conduct a soft credit check, which will not affect your credit score. After you have entered the necessary information, click on the Continue to Terms button. Carefully review the terms and conditions provided, then click Agree and Submit Application to proceed. Once you have submitted your application, you will need to wait for an email notification that will inform you whether your application was successful. If you receive a positive response, you can proceed to complete the full credit card application process. However, if your pre-approval request is not successful, you might consider applying for a different card. And there you have it. That's the process for getting pre-approved for an American Express credit card. Thank you for watching, and until next time.